Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. And second of volatility, right? Markets were super volatile and we really don't know what is the reason in spite of global cues being very on the negative side, right? So if you see the global market, let me give you a perspective. If you see the Dow Jones from lifetime high till now, it has corrected almost 25%. And Nasdaq is much worse. It has corrected almost 33%. But you know how much Nifty and Bank Nifty has corrected? Nifty has just corrected 10% and Bank Nifty has just corrected 13%. Bank Nifty was lifetime high was around 40,500 and we are sitting somewhere around 38,500. That is just 12%, my friend. And if you see Nifty 18,600, we are sitting somewhere around 16,700. That is just 10%. So we really don't know why Indian markets are resilient in spite of so much problem. You know that petrodollar is a problem, dollar is appreciating, Indian rupee is depreciating. As I talk to you, 82.5, maybe it will touch 85 also, in spite of RBI coming up and swapping so much of billions worth of dollar. I think $50 billion till now they have swapped. And still Indian rupee is depreciating. Had they not swapped so much of dollars greenback, what would have happened now? Maybe we would have gone to 87. These are all the problems for the Indian economy. These are all the problems for the macro economy. Our deficit is widening. Still, I really don't know what is happening in the market, and markets are keep on rallying. And whenever I say market is going to go down, and if you think this is just market has bottomed out, it is like catching the falling knife. Market has not bottomed down. It has not bottomed out. We will see more further downside on the downward trajectory, right? We will see more downside. And I don't think this 18,600 and 18, this 40,000, 41,000 in Bank Nifty and all will be taken out. Looking at the way, and even today market, if you see the volatility, oh my god, what a volatility. And this is US futures. I will come back to that in a few minutes. So this is just the Nifty chart, and look at the way it was trading. It gapped down, came, then all the way it gapped down. This is better. Nifty was in the downside trajectory, and look at Bank Nifty. From 39,000 it came to 38,800, then went back to 39,000, then it came all the way down to 38,600 level. It was super volatile. And nowadays, as I told you, even in yesterday's video, I told I have reduced my positional sizing. We are not holding big quantities of positional trades or overnight trades. This market is kind of freaking out and it is super volatile. It is very hard to handle. And the reason for Bank Nifty to hold this much was because of Axis Bank. If Axis Bank was not there, we might have fallen like what Nifty did. Anyway, Bank Nifty second of today's trading session, I think after 2 o'clock, it also started falling down. And US futures, in spite of, I think Dow Jones is almost at a pre-COVID level. Nasdaq is also at pre-COVID level. In spite of that, if you see when our markets were closing, even in today's live session, I told that once our market closes, this Dow Jones or US future will come to green. And in fact, 5 minutes or 10 minutes back, I checked, it was almost in the green. I don't know why this is happening and what is happening, right? So again and again I'm saying, don't try to catch the falling knife. You will be hurt. This is not the time to invest. If you are an investor, I know many investors who has lost in this market. When markets were around 18,600 levels, there were so much of investors who had invested, and you think what would have happened to them, right? Maybe they would have lost heavily, right? And people try to average, if you ask me, doing an averaging, dollar cost averaging in investing itself is a risky business. And I know people who average options also. Buying options also they average, selling option also they average. It is very, very risky, my friend. Don't do these kind of adventures. You will hurt yourself. It will hurt very badly. Averaging is not a good thing to do, right? And there are many events lined up for tomorrow. Tomorrow FOMC 11:30, around 11:30 p.m. Tomorrow night FOMC meeting will be out, and day after tomorrow around 6 p.m. core inflation rate and inflation rate year on year is going to be out day after tomorrow. So tomorrow night also you have to check, and day after tomorrow also we have to check what is going to happen. Until then, these markets are going to be super volatile, and whether you like it or not, we will have to live with it, right? And this is how the markets are looking like. And open interest wise, if you see, there are so many call option return from 17,000 all the way to 17,500. Literally there were no put writing at all, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, thanks to all call writers. And what I am observing for the last few days is that wherever there is highest open interest, that open interest is being tested. I have told this many times in live trading session also. For example, this today morning what I saw was this 39,000 Nifty, Bank Nifty 39,000 had the highest open interest among put option. That was breached, right? 39,000 put option today morning had the highest open interest. Let me show you in this chart itself. So not like this. So this is the new future which these guys have introduced. So if you see here, 38,000, 39,000 had the highest, there are people who write at the money. So 39,000 was having the highest open interest today morning, and that was decisively taken in second part of today's trading session. If we go slowly, you might find that 39,000 had the put option had the highest open interest, but due to time constraint, I am just skipping it. So what you can understand from the open interest is that there is no put writing at all. Every Tom, Dick and Harry is writing call in this market. And if you see this FIAs, I don't know what they have done. FIA buggers, I think, FIAs have sold for around 4,612 crores, and DIAs have bought for around 2,430 crores. So this is the second day of selling. Yesterday also they sold, today also they are selling. So they have turned net sellers. And whenever I say the markets are likely to go down, people come and tell market will go up, go up, go up, right? So even today's video, you go and check the comment section, someone or somebody will come and say market is going to go up, it is going to touch lifetime high, which is not going to happen at all. So at least since I have started saying that the markets will go down, maybe 30 or 40 people would have told market is going to go up. I am still here, but those people who told market will go up is not there. They have vanished, right? They are just passing clouds. Anyway, why I am saying this is the mindset of retailers. You shouldn't be a sheep in the herd, right? You have to come out and you have to find a unique way to prosper in this fraternity. That's what I'm trying to say, right? So nothing harm. I'm just telling you for information. Now also, this is a sell in the rice market. Don't try to go long in the market. You will be hurt. Many people are hurt. So short the market. If the market rises, that is a very, very best opportunity for you to short the market, right? I hope now also it is the best time to short the market. Even if the market comes up, India VIX will drop, and you will end up in flat or minor profit or minor loss only, right? And when talking about India VIX has gone about 20 today. That is really bad news. So let us see how things pan out. Nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.